Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the sound recorder and powering it on. That's the core first action. Walk into the suspected room and keep the device facing open space, because ghosts respond to direct stimuli and clear audio picks up replies. Once done, press the record button and leave it running. Do not stop for a minute or two to capture late responses. Make sure ambient noise is low. Background chatter muffles faint EMF or spirit words, so move teammates away briefly. You'll want to actively provoke responses while the recorder runs. Start with simple, direct prompts like asking the ghost to say its name or answer yes or no. Short questions produce cleaner audio. Then pause and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Ghosts often answer during quiet gaps. If nothing happens, try controlled stimuli, knocking on objects, shouting a name, or toggling lights. These actions create reaction windows. Once you hear a hint, mark the time and repeat to confirm, and when you finish, stop the recorder and review clips immediately. You'll catch subtle words by listening with headphones and boosting gain. Save notable timestamps and label them for the team. Clarity helps classify the ghost. If nothing was captured, relocate to another room, ghosts move, and repeat the process with the mic closer to likely activity spots. If recordings are noisy, lower ambient sounds or adjust sensitivity and options. One key troubleshooting tip: if static overwhelms speech, switch devices or reorient the recorder to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.